Welcome to the Gold Sky Security Manufacturers Services page. I'm Ron Frechette, and I serve as Chief Evangelist Officer here at Gold Sky Security. The manufacturing industry is an essential part of the global economy and has long been considered a leader in technological innovation. The manufacturing industry was one of the first to integrate robotics into the assembly line and to embed advanced automation of industrial control systems into the foundation of manufacturing. The additional use of artificial intelligence and machine learning has led to advancements in manufacturing, from medical devices to the future of autonomous vehicles. These so-called smart factories bring great efficiencies, such as networked robots, mobile robots, and supervisory control and data acquisition systems, more commonly known as SCADA systems. Given its focus on innovation and an increasing reliance on connected products, manufacturing is an industry that is highly vulnerable to cyber threats. In spite of new investments in IoT technologies and broad concerns with such risks, the manufacturing industry as a whole is still fragmented in its approach to managing cyber-related risks. Cyber criminals and nation-state threat actors know this, and as a result, manufacturers have seen a significant increase in cyber attacks, especially small and mid-sized manufacturers who have less resources in place for protection. In fact, in 2019, one report found that half of manufacturing companies had experienced a data breach or malware attack. We've seen global cyber incidents like WannaCry, LockerGaga, BabacLocker, and other ransomware attacks cripple manufacturing facilities. These attacks can force complete shutdowns of certain facilities, corrupt information technology systems, and at times even force plant closures. This is where Gold Sky Security's Chief Security Officer as a Service program comes into play for our manufacturing clients. We begin the process by conducting a NIST CSF-based security risk assessment. Once gaps are identified, our team immediately focuses on closing those gaps while simultaneously implementing a formal security program that dramatically reduces the risk of future cyber attacks. For more information about how Gold Sky can help you build a robust security program that will satisfy the needs of your clients and stakeholders, contact us direct and download the datasheet provided on this page.